These are the elevators at the Interdisciplinary Sciences Building, USF, Tampa, Florida. We're gonna go down the one. ThyssenKrupp. Since this was built on a hill, 2 is the main entrance, but 1 also has ground level entrances. Switch cars on 1. So stainless steel cab, nothing too fancy. Expiration August 2025. This one's coming down. We're gonna go with 7. This one doesn't have a floor passing chime. Going back down.
Okay.
Which floor?
2, please. Thank you. Bye. Me too.
So the cab is basically the same as the other one. There is also a service elevator that we're gonna ride. Service elevator is right over here. At least it's designed as a service elevator, although I think anyone can use it. There's no signs saying otherwise. This one's a lot bigger. The other ones I think were 3,500 pound capacity. This one is a 4,500 pound capacity. I would have been surprised if 8 was unlocked. Here we are at 7. Only 1 chime for down. Interesting. So the 7th floor is where the canvas stores start, and as a result, it's locked after hours and on weekends. I think all the other floors are unlocked at all times except 8, which is the roof. We're gonna end it up at 2. And that'll be it.